Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the DEWALT 4-inch cable twist wire wheel. This isn't your average wire brush, this is a heavy-duty tool built for serious cleaning and prep work. Made from high-tensile, heat-treated carbon steel wire, this wheel boasts exceptional durability. The crimped wire design provides flexibility, ensuring even contact and preventing damage to your workpiece. But it's not just about toughness. DEWALT's innovative internal holding plate construction significantly reduces knot movement, giving you better control and extending the brush's lifespan. With a 5/8 to 11-inch arbor, this wire wheel fits most standard angle grinders. It's perfect for a variety of applications including deburring, edge blending, rust removal, and surface preparation. Whether you're working on metal, steel, or even concrete, this wheel can handle it. Customer reviews consistently highlight its effectiveness in removing rust, paint, and mill scale. Many users praise its long-lasting performance, even under heavy use. The DEWALT DW4930 is a powerful and efficient tool that delivers consistent results. Its high-quality construction ensures safety and durability, making it a worthwhile investment for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Get ready to tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs with ease and precision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews and DIY projects. See you in the next one.